Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Are you wondering what is in this fragile box? Do you know what's in it? Me neither. Let's try to open it and see what we have here, because I have no idea. Okay, first I will trust my mighty knife that it will do a really good job in this matter. Okay, so after managing to cut this fragile box, let's see what we have here. So we have, as you could see, a 12 LED lamp. Okie dokie, so we have a vintage style steel handle, hanging ring, glass globe, on off dimmer switch from this, and we have a metal material. We have on off switch, color LED, and it needs and it seems that the batteries are included, and it needs 3 AA batteries, and it has 15 to 60 lumen, and this is how it looks. Okay, without no further ado, let's see what we have here. And let's take it out. Okay. As you could see, this is the LED lamp itself, as you could very see now. Let's unwrap it, because I don't want this. And it seems that this is it, the lamp itself. Okay, so we have on off switch, and this is the dimmer. Wow, it looks really good, because also here we have a handle, and yeah, I will put it somewhere here to have, yeah, so it looks very good from my part. And now if we remove this, okay, it will work, I believe so. Wow. Okay, it looks really good, and it has 12 LED in it, and it's really bright. Okay, on off switch. Good, I like it, and it's solid built. It will not be waterproof for sure, here at least, but here for sure it's waterproof. We could raise the glass like this, and actually I believe that this could be also converted in some way. If we remove this and the switch and also the LLD itself, it could become normal one. We also have this ring here and also the handle here. So yeah, it's illuminating very good. 360, as you could see. It's from metal for sure. I don't know if it's from copper, but I don't think that is from copper. It's mostly metal. Yeah, we have some rust here, so it's metal, it's iron. Yeah, so that's all guys. Thank you for seeing this. If you want to see more like this, please like it. If you don't like it, dislike it. This video is not sponsored, by the way. So if you want to see more like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for seeing this. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye.